Ever wondered what happens if a customer slips and falls in your shop? Or if your business accidentally damages someone's property? That's where General Liability Insurance steps in, and it's more affordable than you might think. But how much does it really cost small businesses in the U.S.? Check out the link in the description box below. Let's break it down. General Liability Insurance is a must-have for most small businesses. It protects you from third-party claims like bodily injury, property damage, and even advertising injury. So, what's the cost? On average, small businesses in the U.S. pay between $40 to $80 per month, or $500 to $1,000 annually for general liability coverage. But the exact cost depends on a few key factors. Type of business: a construction company will pay more than a freelance graphic designer. Business size and revenue: bigger operations usually mean higher premiums. Location: insurance rates can vary by state and city. Coverage limits and deductibles: higher limits mean higher costs, but more protection. The good news? Many insurers offer customizable plans, so you can adjust coverage to fit your budget and risk level. Companies like Next Insurance offers up to a 25% discount on bundles. So, whether you're running a food truck, a cleaning service, or a small retail shop, General Liability Insurance is a smart investment. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.